Recently picked up this 3.7. And the power sharp feature is totally intact and working. Unfortunately, it does have a crack in the rear of the handle grip area. But overall, it's pretty good. So the way these power sharps work is you pull, twist on that knob, which moves your sharpening stone. So now I'm able to get it to the chain, and the knob on top of this cover adjusts how far the stone gets to the chain. So when you run the chainsaw, you work this lever and it will sharpen the top edge of your cutters. You can see that it's like reverse of how a conventional chain is sharpened. So let's try this out. So the top of these cutters are they're coated with oil from the oiler, but they have a very clean, sharp edge to them now. So this was like, most people would say this is a failed attempt at a bolt-in sharpener. Because the chain had to be special, of course, for the sharpener. And it's a glorified scratcher chain. If you don't know what that is, you can just look it up. It's pretty easy to find what that is. It's an old style chain that was not a very efficient cutter. A lot of times these old Craftsmans, they have, I think Sears actually called that the Barracuda chain because of the shape of the teeth. But it's pretty rare for these to come along, to find them with still the original type of chain on it. Most of them just got the Oregon replacement, or I've seen even steel chains be put on them, and it makes them a whole different saw. But yep, here it is in its old form. I'm going to make a couple of cuts to demonstrate how well it does not cut. So it made a relatively clean and straight cut, and it's pulling chips, but it's just not an efficient cutter design at all. I think Oregon, it's basically the same thing if you buy the Oregon Power Sharp setup today. They must have the rights to the chain design and the name. So there it is, Sears Power Sharp in all its glory.